Alright, follow Daddy.
Come back. Come back.
What do you see?
What's that? A swing set. What do you think?
Who got that for you? Did Gary get that for you?
Yeah, Gary.
He doesn't know what to do.
Is it from BJ's? No. There's a sandbox too?
Mommy, did you have a sandbox too?
2 sandboxes. You alright, Matt?
Yeah.
Let me try.
Okay, put your legs. There you go. Whoa, is that a pirate's wheel? Robbie, do you like it? Do you like it? Rob, what do you think? Did you see the slide too?
Oh. Sorry.
Sorry.
Try to go down it. That's a good one.
What's this?
That's a disc swing. You want to try it?
Yes.
I'll help you. Sit on it, yeah.
Put your bum down.
Like this. And you squeeze your legs together. Like you're on a fire pole. You can even cross your legs. And I'll show you how to do that. You go like this.
Hold on tight.
Yep, and you gotta hold on tight and get your bum all the way in there. Whoa!
Nice one. You'll get the hang of that.
That's hard. Really hard.
Check out that sandbox under there.
Where's your shovel?
Oh, yeah, that! I didn't do that.
Think it can hold Mama?
Yes.
Wanna try?
Yes.
And push me? Whoa!
Careful.
Mommy.
Yay!
Me too.
You want to get in there?
You sit on this one.
You want to put Sammy in this swing? You sit on the swing, Mom. You sit now. We'll put Sammy in there.
You want to go in that one? In this one?